Hello there. It's been a very unsettled autumn across much of northwestern and central Europe. We've had lots of areas of low pressure. This system here has been pushing across Italy in towards Croatia and Greece, bringing some heavy rain. That's going to be lingering in the southeast, I think, through the course of Friday. Meanwhile, we have got another front pushing across parts of France, rain at low levels, some snow to come for the Alps. But to the north of that, a colder northerly airflow bringing drier weather to parts of the UK and Scandinavia. Showers arriving across Turkey, and it's cooler for Eastern Europe compared to what we've seen recently. A bit of a respite for Italy, still a few showers lingering here and there. And we have got one or two showers across parts of Portugal as well. More rain waiting in the wings, that'll arrive through the weekend. Some sunshine though for northern parts of France, the UK, in towards Denmark and Germany as well. With a northerly airflow, it's going to be turning colder but also sunnier for northern and northwestern parts of Europe. Into Saturday though, this weather front moves in from the Atlantic, bringing some rain to parts of France, in towards Spain and Portugal as well. And you will notice blue colours returning to parts of Eastern Europe where it's been quite warm recently. Temperatures will be on the dip. So here's the outlook then. Berlin and Moscow both turning a little bit cooler over the next few days. Should be dry in Kiev with some sunshine across Athens over the next 5 days or so. Rather chilly in both London and Paris, but perhaps turning a little bit milder through the middle of next week. Bye-bye. Hello there. There's currently 2 winter storms affecting North America. One in the east, which is clearing out into the Atlantic, but we're still seeing lots of isobars on the map here. So cold, brisk, northerly wind blowing there. And low pressure further west is bringing a mix of some heavy snow over the higher ground and rain showers at low levels. Now, Thursday's weather, Thanksgiving of course, is looking mostly dry for parts of eastern Canada and also in towards New England as well, but temperatures are dropping through the day with that blustery wind. Further south it's not as windy and things are looking largely dry across much of Georgia towards Florida too, just a chance of perhaps an isolated shower in the far south. But for Montreal, New York, Atlanta and Miami, things are looking dry and settled for Friday into Saturday. Good news if you're travelling home from any Thanksgiving celebrations. Elsewhere, an unsettled picture for central and western states, certainly. We've got some heavy snowfall pushing across the Sierra Nevada, the southern Cascades and the Rockies as well. Could be about 1 to 3 feet of snowfall there. Further north, a drier picture up across British Columbia with plenty of sunshine and largely sunny and dry for much of Washington State and Oregon. But further inland, we've got that heavy snowfall lingering, particularly further south. Could be some flooding issues too across parts of California with some heavy rain at low levels. Things are looking mostly dry though towards the west. A few showers for San Francisco. Bye-bye. Hello, thanks for joining me for this look at the weather across South America and Central America too. Now we'll start with the satellite image, which shows quite a lot of clouds stretching across much of central and southern Brazil up towards parts of Bolivia, Peru as well. And it'll be this zone that will continue to see some heavy downpours of showery rain over the next couple of days too. Meanwhile, across the southern half of South America, temperatures have been on the cool side, but it will be warming up as we look towards the end of the week and into the weekend. Plenty of heavy showers across Colombia, Venezuela too, but it is looking drier for Suriname, also for Guyana as well, and down the east coast of Brazil. But further south, some heavy downpours, some thunderstorms mixed in with some of those heavy showers around Rio de Janeiro. Drier weather for central parts of Argentina and central Chile, but further south, unsettled with weather fronts pushing in across Patagonia. Rio de Janeiro will continue to see on and off showers over the next couple of days. Buenos Aires looking largely dry, temperatures up to about 31 degrees through the weekend. There's going to be some heavy rain lingering across the northwest of Mexico. Could be some flooding impacts here. Elsewhere for Mexico, sunny spells, just a few scattered showers and largely dry weather stretching across the Caribbean with temperatures up to about 32 or 33 degrees. Now the outlook here for the next 5 days or so, there could be 1 or 2 showers at times in Havana, but dry for Kingston, San Salvador and also for San Jose. Bye-bye. Hello, let's take a look at the weather across Africa and the Middle East too. And we've still got some heavy rain around across some central parts of Africa. Of course, there's been some devastating floods in Kenya recently. The heaviest of the rain, I think, over the next few days will be concentrated mainly across parts of southern Kenya, Tanzania and Mozambique as well. Still some showers across the DRC too, but nothing particularly heavy here. Elsewhere across Africa, further south, it's been very hot for much of South Africa, but we're seeing some cooler air moving in from the west. So 22 degrees in Cape Town through the day on Friday. Lots of dry, settled weather right across much of North Africa. Here's the outlook then. Cape Town looking dry, those temperatures not as hot as they have been. Johannesburg still about 32 or 33 degrees with a lot of sunny, warm weather on the cards. Khartoum looking dry and sunny over the next 5 days or so, but there will be a few showers in Lusaka at times and perhaps even the odd rumble of thunder with some of those heavier showers. Across the Middle East, and a lot of dry weather for Syria and Iraq too, but things will turn more unsettled here as low pressure moves in from the Mediterranean through the weekend. 1 or 2 showers around parts of Kuwait and into Iran too, especially over the higher ground. But it is looking generally dry and settled right across much of Saudi Arabia. Not much Shamal wind to speak of, although it could pick up later in the weekend. Dry for Muscat, Dubai and Amman, but a few showers in Kuwait. Bye-bye. Hello there. We've seen several days of heavy rainfall across parts of Sri Lanka, and there's more of it to come. You can see from the satellite image the cloud across Sri Lanka and also southern parts of India too, where we've got more showers in the forecast. Also down towards the Maldives, we've got heavy and fairly frequent showers through the next couple of days. Elsewhere, further north across India, lots of dry, settled weather, as we'd expect for the time of year. 1 or 2 showers for the likes of New Delhi. For Maharashtra, light winds, dry conditions and fairly poor air quality in the forecast for Friday and on into the weekend too. Plenty of those heavy showers, as you can see, further south. But as we make our way northwest into central parts of Asia, it's looking pretty chilly for much of Kazakhstan. Also Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan, rather cool, but dry, clear conditions with light winds here. Lots of dry weather too across much of Pakistan into the northwest of India. 1 or 2 showers affecting Mali. They could be on the heavy side with the odd rumble of thunder mixed in too, and plenty of frequent showers packing in across Sri Lanka. The possibility for some flooding problems here. Also southern parts of Andhra Pradesh seeing some of those showers, but it's looking dry for West Bengal and across Bangladesh too. Here's the outlook for the next few days then. Lots of dry weather for Mumbai, Dhaka and Islamabad, but we will continue to see the showers and at times some thunderstorms in Colombo. Dry and sunny in Karachi, but some showers in Chennai. Bye-bye. Hello there. We have got a typhoon in the West Pacific, which is going to be gradually moving its way closer to the Philippines through the course of next week. You can see it here on the satellite image. Fairly slow moving storm at the moment, but it will start to just move its way gradually further westwards. But for the here and now, just a few scattered showers across the Philippines. Further north, meanwhile, high pressure holds on across much of the northeast of China, in across the Korean Peninsula and for Japan too. 1 or 2 showers for Honshu during the day on Friday, but they should ease away. Lots of dry weather right down the east coast of China, but with the winds coming in from the northeast across the South China Sea, that's bringing quite a lot of wet weather to coastal parts of Vietnam. Could be some flooding issues here and some heavy showers across northern parts of Indonesia too. Now here's the outlook. Some milder weather on the way for Tokyo, but also a few scattered showers at times over the next couple of days. Beijing looks largely dry with some sunshine. Across Australia, a lot of dry weather on the cards, a slightly cooler air mass in place, which is good news across southern parts of Australia. We have got this weather front, you can see, bringing a little bit of rain to parts of South Australia and Victoria and Tasmania. That will move into New South Wales with some showers during the weekend. Friday's weather looks largely dry for the South Island of New Zealand, but we have got 1 or 2 showers just lingering for the North Island, but things are reasonably mild for the time of year. A few showers in Sydney through the day on Saturday, and also Melbourne keeps some showers over the next few days. Bye for now.